In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram voice messages not playing. First, make sure your phone's volume is turned up. Sometimes voice messages are playing, but the media volume is set too low to hear them. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is caused by a weak connection. If you're using earbuds or a Bluetooth device, disconnect them and try playing the voice message again through your phone's speaker. You should also close Instagram completely and reopen it. This can fix temporary app glitches. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, select Instagram, tap Storage and choose Clear Cache. Make sure Instagram is updated to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. If the problem continues, restart your phone and try again. As a final step, uninstall Instagram and reinstall it to refresh the app files. And that's how to fix Instagram voice messages not playing. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.